Hi, this is Brian Long, Seacoast Exclusive Properties, here introducing you to our new listing in Ocean Beach, 1915 Venice, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately 3,300 square feet, with an amazing top-of-the-world view. You got to check this out, all the way from Scripps Pier to Capitan, Coronado Bridge. Come on, let's go check it out. How is this? Amazing room, tongue and groove ceiling, oak hardwood floors, 2 bedrooms down. Downstairs you have a full gym, common bath, your laundry room, bar area, beautiful kitchen, full granite slabs, professional stainless appliances, custom cabinetry, but check out the view. Coronado Bridge to Scripps Pier. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So we're going to check out the master suite. Like I told you, it's 3-bedroom, 3-bath. You have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths on the first level. The second level is all master suite. So come on, check it out. Have your walk-in closet, big spacious room, daytime views, ocean, Scripps Pier, SeaWorld, Mission Bay. You have office area, Juliet balcony, his and her bathroom, dual vanities, slab, granite countertops, jacuzzi tub, his and her shower. So from the top of the world views to Dog Beach or the Ocean Beach Pier, or experiencing all that makes Ocean Beach unique. You're going to fall in love with your new home. Again, Brian Long, new listing Ocean Beach, 1915 Venice. Co-listed with Christine Sanchez, 1.349. Any questions? 760-415-3329. Check out the view.